Tana, Wesley, Wesley. Equal, I took my dummy, yo. David not a baggy je, or Malu and ya dobo wa we away. Venera wuni renting and Raju say. Because I don't know who, if you're an akbo, ija ga say you want a mama, a beokije, a beokijin, a baby okay money. Chijinya must talk back. Ona Aneviera. On a like polygamous family, the woman can never stay that house. No me go. Yeah, we to posinya any stage. We me o gagbe. Ego ni be very ene no ya gbe mi. So there is nothing like. Uga wa go be am mo we. Nu we am go bowe. O dao. Ah. O da from Jesus.
Hello, mommy. Good evening, mama.
From Spain. Hello, lower your side, my sister. My sister, lower your side. Lower your side. Lower your side.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Good evening, mommy. Good evening, ma.
God
bless you, ma.
From London.
Mommy, yes, for London, yes. It gets something when I want to ask. Me with my husband, and we married more than 22 years. You understand? He build house, he buy land. I don't even know the name when he put. He not they tell me anything. He go to hide them for me.
Your husband not they tell you anything.
Mommy, I go tell you the truth. He got almost land with the house when he built. Whether I born 5 children for him. Whether na my name dey o, na the children dey o, I anything. I don't know anything.
No be you talking yesterday say if you no want sleep for bed, your husband go give you gap.
Me with another they lie down for the same bed. Me with another lie down for the same bed. Now me with the last one will be 11 years. Now me with another lie down.
Where your husband cut the lie down put?
The children room. The girl when the children room. I did the lie down. Children room.
Your husband go they sleep for children room.
Yes.
How una contact the meat? Ama.
Mommy, we not the meat, so we not the meat. I don't feel like for you.
Una not the hammer.
No, mommy, if you say not be married when I don't born children for my sister, may I just tell you the truth. I don't come out it. Waiting that me see just bear this marriage. I don't want me my children turn to a social children. You understand? I make me see just bear until today. He go they had anything for me. Since when I don't know this man, sister, more than 22, let's say my senior son at 23, now more than 22 years, his salary are not the how much he receive. Both one way work for Italy, both one way they work for the UK, one way this way, I know they know anything. You go they hide that for me.
Una know they sleep together, how it they give you belly?
That time for Italy, that time for Italy. Since we don't enter UK, no way. I know they go 3 years for UK now.
Now it means that since 3 years, your husband never sleep with you the same bed.
I not feel had anything for you. I not feel had anything for you. I not feel had that for you. You go to sleep for another room. Me go there to another room. You know, say because they pay these children, money when they pay these children, this man, you know they bring money for food, mommy. You know they bring money for food. Now the money when they pay children, now me take they buy food.
Money when they pay children, now you take they buy food, give you anything.
You know, I go hide that for you, mommy. I'm just to tell you the truth because I don't know how when people want give me. You know, say as I go, you know, say my enemy they say I get condition of bone marrow. I got condition of bone marrow.
What it be bone marrow?
You understand?
What it be bone marrow?
You know, say that bone sister, that bone mommy, you got something will be like when they dey inside. My enemy no get them. My enemy no get them. They say my enemy no get them. I can't go hospital every time. Because that day when I go hospital, the doctor come tell me say, ask everything now. You know, because the work when I be the work, mom, like 3 hours work. Because of my condition of me. Say me I first treat myself, not the work first. You know that my enemy come to sick every time. Every time they go to give me blood transfusion, they go to transfer blood from my body. You understand?
Now because you know they take water. You know they take water. You know. Like the way you be, so you supposed to they take the water at least once in a week. Now you make her. Where your husband as we they talk, so in their house.
No, you know they have you don't come out go work. They do all those care work, all this so they work. Now they do.
How
What
can
they
you
have
live with yours?
when you buy this land, mommy, I don't know. Now in brother when they Lord do. I can't just say me with my husband. I can't beg me for that standing. Now I know whether when my children they put or anybody I don't know they will put. I not just know.
So
Because my mind don't tell me say my mind don't tell me say mommy me I go report for this women defender where they report. Mommy I not feel bearan. I know bearan reach 221 and let me tell you. If it's something no change, I dey go life. If they want to separate me for this, I make them separate me with them. I no fit. I no. If something they do me for mind, I not talking for mind. It go be like say my enemy dey sick. I go get heart problem.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
Now
Wait,
I just tell you. Now I just tell you so.
wait, how many times you don't call and sit down? Ask and say why he know they sleep with you. How many times?
I go me go play me time. That man when I won't dey carry mommy, I no fit had anything for you. This man don't call police for me for 7 times. When be say government he don't come carry me, come hide me for 1 month. Yes, government come say me I come for na risk I dey for your hand. I not feel like for you, mommy. I just your prayer they follow. You don't say when I they follow your prayer. If I just this prayer when I they pray and I know this problem when I they pass, I don't go take 1921. I just tell you. My senior son when I born mommy, I come carry and go Italy 2013. I don't know what they put for that PT grant. They come out something for grant. I carry and go Nigeria. I don't know what they put. She say I know you that time, mommy. I hear your program. Maybe that my son leg. Therefore not cutting 1 leg now. Now 1 leg the enemy come get.
Oh, they cut your leg. They cut your senior son leg.
I don't know what happened, mommy. Oh, I carry and go Nigeria. When this boy dey 5 months, 5 years, now I take register for ball. He called the prep ball for Italy. As he called the prep ball for Italy now, as he called his 17 years, mommy, team can't call him. I not call the pay for him. That time, if I talk before me talk one mommy, don't talk 20. You not call the give me the respect. Now say me I carry and go Nigeria, and then you know say with the respect culture. As we come after 2 months, we can say let the penna. Now I call you what? I call the press. I think say na normal mommy. I call the you rub the rubber. I call the rubber. I call say continue say this like the pain. I can't go Nigeria. After I can't go hospital. After I go hospital, just do it. They tell me say na cancer. Na enter the enemy body.
Ah.
They can't do the operation. 1 year now stay for hospital. They do chemotherapy. When we say the treatment when my son all hair go poop come out. I can't say 1 year. After 2016. After 2007, mommy, he said he let the pain again. As he just tell me say that let the pain mommy, I not just go waste time again. Now I just go hospital where I do the operation. As I just read here, they do everything. The doctor just tell me say now what's if happen to enemy 2016? Now if he come back again, only this one where they do for leg, you know, me I go do one where they look inside belly. If I test up for belly, now I go do one. Doctor come tell me say if I do one, if the result will come, may I carry and come. I can't go do one. I won't want the result say they come. I can't do one 45 euro. As I do one, if the result will come, I can't go greet doctor. Now doctor call me, tell me say come. They carry me go office, follow me, do me. They tell me say this is enemy leg. Nobody want to cure again because it reminds me when we want to attack the enemy inside body. Now so I said do they cut my son leg. As me see the UK now, mommy, the boy no gree follow me. Only in 1 day Italy they suffer budget. Huh?
You only you want there with 1 leg. It ain't
only you want there, mommy. I know they sleep in the night. I know they sleepy.
Your husband is from where?
Now from your deal. Me Naishan. He Naishan too.
Okay, your husband too Naishan.
Yes.
Akewe sang. Eri me on awe sang.
Mommy na luck oh. Na luck my sister. I don't feel tell you. I don't feel like for you. If they do anything, go they hide down for me. Go they hide down for me. I know they know. The house we buy almost 11 land though. Both the 4 fast we both for Lagos for there. I know whether my children they do. The name we take do. You know they tell me. You go they do everything for me. I don't feel like for you, mommy.
Right from the one you know him. Now so he be.
Mommy, may I just tell you the truth? I will just tell you the truth. Even though I know so you see that's your husband, you take your husband, say they make parable. May I just tell you the truth? The time when I know this man who they boyfriend and girlfriend, you know be like this. I will just tell you the truth. When I come get After 3 months, when I know, I can't get belly. As I can't get belly, problem can't start. Problem can't start.
But part 2 appelle problem day for part 2 appelle.
The first one.
Problem day.
When I get that boy first belly, now the problem. When I get that belly, he say me I leave the pick, me I leave the baby. Because he say me I leave him. People come there about how much of the work we want to feed the picking our wife? He called them misbehave. He called them misbehave. Me, a person we know them, he heard me know the quit taking. I can't even take him. Whether knowledge this one God won't give me for life now, I don't know. I can't leave him. I can't leave him.
Hi. So as soon as they say us, they know even they kiss you, not they touch you.
Forget story, mommy. Now me can't go meet her by myself. Last 2 weeks, mommy, I can't tell her say, since when they watch your program, my concert they judge me. What you tell they preach. I can't tell her say, if na woman right, you go tell woman say, now you right, now you wrong. I can't tell her say, this what me they pass for this house now. Me not go pass and read 221. I not go pass and read 21 because if you know change, me go meet these people, woman defender. I'll go meet her. He tell me say may I go anywhere when I want go, may I go. But if the people come, they go tell her say may leave this house for me. He go come out. This man don't 2 times. He go through 3 months for outside. And so he go come out. He go leave me with the children.
Your husband go spend 3 months for outside. He go leave you and your
2
children.
times. His sister wey dey London they go dey advise am. They go dey advise am. He go come. If he want do something, mommy, no, they follow me discuss on. His sister and they go dey discuss what he want do.
How many children say you get?
I get 4 boys with 1 girl because I don't twist.
5 children.
Yes.
God will settle your marriage in the name of Jesus. You know,
sister, the matter don't tire me because when I go hospital, they come they ask me how me with my husband they live. All those are social. I can't tell them. I can't tell them. They can't tell me say no be man, big person, no be punishment. Ordinary bed when meet and not like that, so that one a punishment too.
So you know even they sleep with you for bed.
Forget sorry, mommy. If it's not be culture, no be say the thing not they hungry me, mommy. If it's not be that culture, when they follow for Nigeria, that culture. Because the time when I dey small, and they me say if the woman do, and they go need that poor those that beef when they strap person for, but now I can't go tell her. Now I'm go meet and tell her say if it's not be culture when me they look, culture when me they look. He tell me say if I want to go outside, may I go ahead. If I want anything when me want go do, may I go do.
He say if you want go outside, if you want go follow another man, may you.
Maybe I go do anything when me go tell her say now because of that culture, now me they respect. Not be say if I dey waka fast, I not the same man when they have. I dey respect culture. He come tell me say go ahead. Anything when me want go do, me I go do.
He don't pay your bride price for Nigeria.
He don't pay him. He don't pay him.
Oh my God.
But the house, what make me bring this issue now? The house now, mommy. I don't know whether my children they there. What if you know when they? I don't know anything. I don't know.
House rent now. Who they pay the house rent?
Mommy, may I just tell you the truth? My story go too long, small. No worry. The house when because now if I follow me there, now if I me there this Italian passport. You understand? He can't come here. Now he can't come out. As you can't come out now, he can't live with these 5 children for a year. After a year and 5 months, he can't come back for Italy. As he come back for Italy, he can't tell me say he want to take a twist with the guy when he there inside. It's period. Me with the boy when the enemy get one less, so with the 11 years, we go remain for Italy. You understand?
What I want to try to tell you now. I know
yes,
one
mommy,
time.
Yes, mommy.
Who date in the day house? Make her enter. Make whether I go accept. Make her talk with her first. I don't want me you carry the case go give any police people. Yeah. When he go there house, may you call me so that make her talk with her.
Anytime when you know say anytime when I know say day house, I go call you. I go call you.
May you call me. I pray make it be maybe the time where be say I know they sleep. I go answer
mommy. Because the thing they injure me no be small. I mean say this house will dey so mommy. Me I just tell you the truth. Because my enemy get condition of say the house when he carry before when we come I know we just dey house. I don't know person can't put force for the house can't go. Police can't go put me for hotel. Government, I can't swear 5 months for hotel. As the government people can't see my condition. Every time I have they carry my enemy. They can't tell me say that hotel people too much. Me I not can join the me carry this corona. Give my condition of health. You understand? They can't give me this house. Not be saying that my house, they may just stay forever. They can't say me I stay for a year forever before they will give me house. I will take this house. So.
Okay, now so na go take that house now. No, not go dey pay anything.
Mommy, I go tell you the truth. Now government now they help me as of now because of my condition of health. They never give me my permanent house when I want to stay.
Oh, now instead they do you like this.
When I go Italy, mommy, after last 2 months, now I go Italy. I come say me I still go see look for my me I still go look for the condition of my son. Now I still go there. I say call my people when in Nigeria. He call my sister when they France. Make the job want me say me I not come back again. Mommy, I not feel like for with boldness now I take home. I know say this have not been the truth. With boldness now I take home.
Iji.
With boldness now I take home. Mommy, I not feel identity for me.
That's una son. Not supposed to carry anybody for long. I enemy no get let go. Why una live only for Italy?
Mommy, the boy come 3 months. 3 months now he pay for. He say you don't like it. You don't like it. Because I'm not just out with day. He said the one that went there here, second has also read the software. He said you don't like this place. Because now Italian people now save the life now they're the balance. And so now he said they there so. If I want to call my son, mom, if you know the video call, I know fit call. Me I know the area when it day. My mind know the real grand. As I day you so 1 month day Italy, 1 month day UK.
Nice, hello boy.
This man see they work, mommy. See they work, he go see they complain. As he just they complain last 3 months, let me go meet him. Now go meet him for his side. What do they complain for? I said, person like me, they kick God for goodness. I said, what do they complain? You know they bring money for food. You know they pay house rent.
With 5 children, you see what they always talk. You see, all
those children operation I don't feel like for you. Operation I take body.
Ha!
The stuff is too much money. I don't feel like I don't go meet her yesterday. I know if you carry this matter enter 21 and I don't go feel better. Now me go use my leg waka. I don't feel like for you because there be one come before. They want tell me they want come. So when I pray for them, they said they go come. Mommy, I know go feel better. I know fit it. Me go the cook you for me go the cook you for. If you go do shopping come mommy, he go separate you from my own. He go separate them.
You also they cook your food too. You they cook your
own. He go the separate them. If you buy, he go separate. He go the cook me go the cook now. Now I'm gonna go meet him. Yes, mommy. I want to just mama. Now I tell him. If anything when me want to may I go.
So you they cook your food. The man they cook your food.
Now so. Mommy, I don't feel like anything for that land when you buy for almost 11 with the 4 fat we do for Lagos. If farm go side, I don't just know whether my children they the name when they buy the I don't just know. I don't know.
Hi. Oh,
mommy, I don't tire. Even his sister when they lost. If you just drop for his sister, all of them go to call me, oh, do man, you know the share, me know say my brother, my graduate, you know even the way his brother take for my body when you get food for outside. If you say not be this children, mommy, not be time I not see where I go. For community, and they become my children.
Oh.
And so,
hi. What I want to tell you, Wait, make I enter this matter. Your marriage go do okay.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus, your marriage will not report to anybody. Let me talk to your husband first. Yeah, God tell me say your husband. God tell me say your husband listening to me. You go listen to me.
Okay, ma'am. Since when they work, it's more than 22. I never know his salary. I don't know how much they receive. As you see, they work and so I know they know how much they receive. I know they know how much they receive. And because of my children, mommy, I don't be say I don't see where I go. That time when they never give me so
Una dey the same house. You don't know how much your husband they receive. That one not be married.
No. Anything we want to know with your sister, with your brother, and they go discuss.
No.
I don't tire, mommy. I don't feel like for you. I don't tire. What did me want to tell you, mommy? Now me, I don't tell you the truth because that's when I call the treatment. My period no come they come. It just come cut. Since yesterday, small brother they come out for inside my body. You know they rush. You know they come out. They make my stomach they pay me.
What go happen today if your husband contra me, you make love with her? Yeah, he go agree.
You would not like that for the same room.
But you go meet her where he did. You know, some women they do and they go naked.
That's why they give now three rooms. The room where suppose maybe children, oh, he can go, he just go enter the room. He don't go enter the.
No worry, yeah. Make her talk with your husband first. Before me go know where me go talk. Me I not fit talk. Say that your husband is bad. Why he do? No, I need to hear from your husband first.
Okay, ma.
Okay, God bless you. Try me call me before this weekend. Any day we just there, call me. I will call her.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Remember,
God bless you, ma. You are blessed.
Amen. You too.
Thank you, ma.
20 minutes. Why you go? Why what to one?
Hello. Jerry, about how? Call Bimuna, sir. I can well. We Jerry a talk by. Call Butter. The no, was you one.
Mama, imi mi nuri egume wese.
Send there.
Wese mama, imi o wese. Wese when waya we birthday me na we unu gwa we ni Jesu. Wese. Ya ka no ne ba wa.
Ya to pe come on me. Iwa re la ni si be to we na wa ri me. Ma ga samo me. So we give me na ina wa because na the picture ni kana re ye ke ko se ni ye ke me o hia me wan kan ti mo gba re picture ni jo o ma ga san so me wa lo bi di na data gba e mo mi wa o hia ge o we go forbid.
Hello, ije no gie komo mi ro sati e mo mi re gbe mo mi komo mi ra to pe ise emi na ni mi na we ni do hama we mo mi wi mi na ni ina wa mana ina re igwe ma mi me ije me so ije me na wa italo wi mi na ni we ije me wi wa ya talo wi mi na ni oboge oge na wa de no do ben we na eni owe ina we ahona e we ni je meje do aleru na we kibike ne ni yangi mujo egbe no riro egbe no sa gbo ma ji yo egbe ni ka o sa no dazi no do kio egbe na wa ya na ti ho ye o me ya itu e yo egbe wu mi na ni ina aleru we ni wa ya leru ni eri e oboge no ka wa ogi yange na wa no oboge no be ni oboge ni na wa do district so na wa ya.
Hello, God bless you.
Mommy Jora talk by.
Say
Mommy Jora talk by.
Say what?
He said, "Em no koni wata by na tanu wa miurie no biani. Oye wo hu. Ohi mose. Ono wana igwa hu bi ya no time tanu. Eto to ri ni ya ope no time tanu. Ano kona wa mi before ye mose. Wa miurie ni. Wa miurie ni momi. Wa miurie wo hu. O packet of footballer no footballer no.
Oh, yana wado o go gi tubo.
Oh. Wow, edeni oya fia when he is so. He vie. Edeni oya fia we. The last time he knew it, we church na mi, we church we Bologna na mi. You understand me? The me oya fia yo kanu we me ga afie. Or he must say. It is well. Emi ya no time ata na eto tori, o ma tori. Omatori natano. Salobo no miefan. Salobo abi bitan no miefan. Emika ni amiefan. Musalo bale ya yobo kandima ho. Amai no amai kenezeke yuba. Amai. And when you want contribute to your
Yeah.
okay. Any ragbo, any sunu. You are soon. Mama, minister, why? So bad.
Agmo. Hello. Society where?
Society where, Mama? Mommy, if I take you a cajade, but imagine she were. E fo me na me weekend la de te be lele we ke be do da gbo de for we ke be so lele we na. La wo we program na that one na te do live for here la wo go mama me do I ti le run jam me.
Wa zume jo ge tu ga mi ogogobo. Afia go ga mi alago ta ga mi o pa ga mi e ni Jesu.
Amen.
Go society where?
Oh mama, society where o you we.
Biana Mugo Juwahu. 5 children were we marriage. Or maybe or Jinwina. As soon as I love your kid, we no more wage cane. Yeru. Why Yeru? Le one motio, a ye mammy, we no more wage. What to do the aim we attack? We are sister, me set you. You said 5 children. Our women on go jimon. When maybe one man we go jamon, when maybe if we are money is we go jamon. Oh, yeah, I love your baby, no woo. Warring our sometimes, yeah, in my own, what messaging, because it may one more attack.
Hello, come.
Attack one more. Okay, a temper or a latin messaging. Hello, side to well. God forbid. Hello.
Come on, me. Side to well.
Hello, side to what we Jimmy.
Oh, yes. Red with Mommy, you beg him no one cover.
Gualada now, what?
If you with ma, if you do, here I'm with you. Or even a mere way, or when you put your for 10 years. Here are rested, I worship it. You could be a wish it. If you with ma, push it here. In your can work in your can with the same are you are one more fully, I'm more to immediately you are married, will be your car, will get to. Yeah, giving you just going in your mouth. Don't know, people will get to. Eh? I was going to look on you already. The same one you are saying. Then, yes, so in my down.
Ah,
Then, yes, so in my down. Waro, if that I get bone laughing. Oh, yeah, woman, I'm pretend to be a web. It's generally a family bone made everywhere. Look, I know how you again. Oh, we're way on our wife here. On all bills at Quabu, no item of any come all bills at family. On a team manage on a Mukono, one Mukono, and another way. A boa do ye not a took back a Yahoo boy. That all go here with Mambo. No bar, we have the gate or only a bemaran, over egg where winning, air you dinner, a way system. Rather all on share. In our way with women, in my with the near Yahoo, in my with the near Yah stage you want to. For your that's what you love, El Piano. What piano? And we are treat to who? Or you have for you love again and again. I mean, you will so in your mouth that it's the nice food.
oh, Mutawa Bio. Oh, Biagua, we go to one. Our very the messenger. Oh, Biagua, we go to one for good 3 years. While love your cook be. Who buy it in Bio? Our way.
What is Valora? On est lucky now, c'est qui sur la dernière. Et toi, c'est bon, et c'est sinon bien. Can go to social media. Et moi, c'est une. Then, here, il reste, il y a une valeur pour les Because ni ya he se ki a low. Eya isojina, iya we ma. Because iya beg e neve ni ya lu oku edo. Iya se ti lu e we bo. Iya we ma oku ne de yan gwa lo. Oku ne de yan gwa na e ti to ka jo ni. Ma je gwa o president family de se tai. E runda na o pia. Obi aki wakpa o ya abu omo wo o we ni ti mo riri leki ahe go no because iwo ni o ma gbo ha ti yan lo se je yan lo iyan ne me iyan ne nunu ogo biya awon na right immediately yan wa mu epo o ko gbe mo ki no mind ne go no pass mo me alu mais je peux faire tout là on vient vraiment yago ko no mu baba of them le eku on me va o bien no ya de wo na recipe aye ri yo bore na e boni en ro pe o ra o ye wo
ya gwa ye me na o site we se o ka we se
como
ikpi agwado temata ona gelega sunu cause many women complain okpi amana lo ya kinya be 3 years or 2 years 1 year dem no keke ni ku ikpi agwado reply me question dem no keke ni ku de ke no keke ni ku ni na ari ame do mani ya we no ari ame ni ya e television wa e bed no aga no abia me na yakwe no ikpi agwado asa me because iko ni burugwe message na koye mami nu ya tuladia ya ga tuladia ba awa mi agbe mewa eti awa mi awa ku mefa no pa o ma lo be called owo kan we let's say the truth o ma lo be called owo kan we 2 years 3 years 4 years ware the same house okonu mu gojo ohun do ma no we no lo be ke wa dori enwa no jo wa te mata hello lo owe bo jo wa lo owe do wan wa we no lo ya kiya ise lo enu ya watch me
me no ge si we de ko je me no ge mak baba musician ore spe we me na ko je me ba we wa kinka ka so mata no to da ko me wa follow we 24 hour so mata no to da we dey contribute to you so based on question no ina be awon ko na gbaro for good 3 years or do e o kai we ni agbaluye so the truth na where the woman o ha the man so ha ni so no ko the guy no can call the family of the man so and contacted to the family of the woman so that they can talk into the matter so if the marriage did not continue so the woman should find a way because she cannot be in the bondage continuously like that.
Okay, now, so brother, we want sana. Our tie family, the family we no way. Domani we no lo be ko working e bed no abia ga be television here in wo wa. E we no working ya.
The matter with the answer now that the man, the woman, they should break up so that the woman, because the man, the real answer now where the man did not need the woman anymore. Or see any nice koi. So they should break up so that the woman should find her happiness.
Okay. Wesi. Come, Wesi. Hello, God bless you. Hello.
Hello, mommy, you are talk there.
So, what talk pa domosa? Domopa.
Hey.
Domorami.
That's a princess, you know.
Princess everywhere good. Domo.
Yeah, princess everywhere good.
Okay. Madame, your papa.
Mami, you know, when it's about Okuno, Barry Mugo, okay, I'm Mugo.
When no tea, no bell, Mary Lani.
Oh, Barry, what my Amugo.
Okay.
Or we go your own noble kind or the one there. There we are need to, oh, yeah, have you get more on the evening, not by.
Okay.
anege no kwoni we ya go da point a marriage in phone because I know that because a mom a privacy again now because we go no biara pa oh ya love you we mo biara love you we mo
Okay.
yeah no ya love you we mo that is number one offense because of how mo go biara pa ya love you mo go we dia wo ga na we bedroom here
Okay.
oni ma oni yende na do we na we do we yo ugbe 3 years later gbe no ko na ya aro ya bi uge mo o ko na o si egbe pe ere si egbe serio because do bi ani ma imo egbe no ya ri
We no calling now. O ma re la ni.
o gba no bi go yo yawo gba odo wa re o wa uge mo ya ri e a family we home because ikwe sodo azie egbe ye ba be jana ji ma da do am ye wo do si e wu dolari ikwu agune egbe
wa calling o ma re la ni wa
eri ti ka happen every kwa isunu
wa bege go ma gun wa we mu ti ana bi afian wa eri mo fian when you call na ifian we eri mo fian because o ma re la no se ni na fian o ge na wa bring the network down when go ma re la ni wa do a call when you bege go ma re la ni no gin egun adu a call ni na fian mo fian o get to understand the go ma re la ni o se ni mo mi jode na fian many power tana wa bring it
Mo majority ato.
It's mama na when me no do
E mata na me ave gwanji. Before Obia boko kedo arugwa good 3 years of Tamagi Sikok when there is something behind it. A boy Obiani on ave neboi nogi we mo ese ninu ku. You understand now or no sunu ni ya eva ne dima mao ni ewe talada na a family no ba ya ni mao ni esikoi you understand here we are lu una
family o support no bia
here ba lu na ro ba bo yin hello
we family o
here ba lu na ro
3
we done yo go on
here ba lu na ro ba bo yin okay ki having of no no biane before akebeke agwaye egbe matawenia because okun
me be na ko mi na
gori abi kabo but ave get legwe of it boy ezo ruwe bunya ifa ne di woman mavita ne di mama oni evita la jam family you understand maybe contribute
Ama obere woman ita bana owo aka mi okuwo na owo iteka mose mimi eri mose bege na
hello
ojo ni teke mo ritali na ojo hello
mom you call you set you
pardon mo
como mi jure la mate is ça mana ne non penser ewe ni be kwanji comme mi jure set you
no sa
you know because imagine there is no man born of a woman no here how even no piana uwe or see there is no man born of a woman but no we tasking you boy from the ohamoti man in the power our not call you which means you want to hear uma onu you papa uma onu ile onopa bumina and only maybe you way so emi ayi wa ni alawo ni a si gbise ba ni from that when I your team na do time when you type man I repeat there is no man born of a woman no here how we opiana or why ni even know we go by from that or do we not to where the man lahiri here egbo ga hene ihon wo pe na me pamia awon ko na me we ago pe na pamia egbo wa do mi we at the end self iya eva no ekene na kene zekelu erinha eva you understand so you know because even na yes e want no we opiana ni akin we mo okay we yo nyime no nyima so pa even no reken even no beken oru weken egi ayin you understand you so imi ayin na la wo na do he na ni mla se gbeke àwọn opiana be no we gie owo kan pa na ri ho then ba mi ari guide do even na ya kun ayo e you know omo mi yoro society we koyi
me ni mi ata yo ni ka gwedi magba na ike agbere gbe mo e lati ma hello society we ra me
society we hello
madam your talk
you know say if this matter we happen so you dey always use that to dey preach say any marriage wey dey say the woman dey carry her husband matter go give a family say that marriage na family dey always dey rule and problem dey dey the same thing with the man the problem wey dem get if na wetin the woman for a family any marriage wey be say the family of the boy if the boy with the wife get problem the family of the boy no dey call the woman make dem still bring the man down make dem still talk to am you go know say dem no need the marriage again
yes
you know say dem no need that again and so it still be for woman if the woman with the wife get problem then the family of the woman no feel say okay make we take away the man make we still bring the man down make we talk with am you understand you go know say that marriage dem no still need am again. You understand? Now the truth just be that one. When any marriage will be say family they join their pikin, that marriage don't divide state. You don't divide. And as that man be so, make your wife no surprise say you don't get woman when he marry for their village.
Okay.
You understand? I just be the thing. I pray and I will pray for marriage nowadays. Make family not destroy marriage for us.
Amen.
Most marriage for this Europe, me and the talker. The most marriage for this Europe now, family of women, they always they destroy many. The same thing with family of the men. The long way family of women they do, they even men pass men. You understand? My brother will use for 3 years. He with my day 3 years for one room. The man never sleep with her. Which kind of marriage with that? The man get paper, he get they are two, they carry passport, they go everybody go waka here now.
Yeah. No be say two of them no get paper. Passport.
Maybe the woman no get now. They will say make it beer and make get with the fan. This one you no get. Everybody waka here. And the pikin na wey they cut the leg according to the woman, like say the man no the house of her at all. You know good now. No matter anyhow, your first pikin you no suppose abandon and no matter the condition, no matter the woman wey want born for you, you not supposed to abandon your first pikin. Your first pikin that make you stand for this life. The many say you can't be born any other one.
Okay, my brother, thank you. Bye bye. Ay, Evoni Buruwe message na
hello, my brother. Mommy, a question when no, when I not to contribute. When they can woman Hannah Ariane, only when no.
Well, Lord, we will join your Maria Sajam men no.
Oh, and we're tiny. Okay, mommy. Okay, sir. So, maybe the major, Obiara, Obiaki, Mayo, for 3 years now, you understand me? That is a sack letter. Guy, but no, when I said 3 years, 3 years, you know, 3 to 2 months. Okay, yeah, where what you where you are. That is for punishment now. To me, it's punishment for her. No, it's better just give him sack letter. Out of man, have no work and where we are working here. We are working just that.
Outside, see where.
Outside, where mommy. Ni
ni meya swale lokbia nwere we ise no le lokbia lo me se je we wa ye me maria me o sala ba me gwa ni dan o se mi na we ni bia dori ansa joba gwa ni lo bia ko wo kungwa wo gwa dem gwa igbe na owo wo kungwa e television no a bia be di gwa reply me bia metio ijeme isatio ha sala ba me gwa mi dan aka igwa mi we Paris no koko pakwa we ya retire because
oh yeah
oh yeah
yeah you contribute matani oh again oh ni agbon ya wizin gba ya so izin gbe ayawe ron ava se pa ni wa ni okun ni no zin gba bun da we kina mo lo bi e na bun o pa e ba
sister we atana we me be ni ya ta lo no ni mo o gan gan me we ma be no iji e what is this sister 3 years
no sine sunu da we omo zin
omo no keke no ga ista
omo lo akin ave ro no zin gba bun and if no suni other phone other phone
me agwa do you care bro
there's something going on there's something with prayer wa no ani aka boy ni ko ni no lawo no zingbe oga no tell no pe marriage no je ni na ga jo ho no pa le go egbe pa e go bi ji ma le ni e bi ma tin do adu ko yi sin egbe
ya ya
o ya sin egbe o da economy ba ko me no ya je a gberi tu bo mu fi erin egbe o sin egbe o de mo no re ba ni mo ni do ba pe ni do adoja
sister
o mo ni do for government but pe na gbe ima va se no sota mo do pe ni gbe won sin egbe abi no de do ko ne yo to ọmọ isi kì náà bí omi sẹ́yìn ó lè pọ́ bá ní rè ẹ̀tọ́ kò ní ẹ̀tọ́ pẹ̀lú mọ́kò òwúrẹ́ àti wà.
wọ́n kò ní dẹ̀gbẹ̀ kí kò ní dẹ̀gbẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ ní wàyà gùn sá wí ata náà yìí òkò náà ó pẹ̀lú wàmú gòjò ọ̀hún asún èrè ọ̀ lóbi ẹ̀bà bí ẹ̀ yẹn lè yà lóbi ẹ̀bà bí yẹn.
Ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ má kà á jẹ́ gbogbo yọ̀ ọ̀hún ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ má gbàtà. Mo no zingbe o van walida go no zingbe o de money e la no zingbe o de no be to pe ni mo se gbe to ma go no zingbe o de money
o sister atare yan na ipe anirugo eyan fi wori o sister atare yan na wa wa ta se iwe do ni bu wa rugo message na so we ha wa ta se no so eyan fi wori ikwe madu ame high blood pressure attack ije o bẹ́ẹ̀ni me wa jana so we wa do ri egbubude na ni megwe nugwa wa igbaro na jore zin egbe oni me ko ni bi o menene aka igwa mi France no ga kokoko opoko mi na mi kokoko poko
we go ge ma singbe o wa singbe mo won le pa yan advice e sha we le tabi social net am ni government e ami yan mo o yo pa wa no we ọ̀rọ̀ mi fẹ́ dọ́là bí sẹ́ni wí yàn á pa a problem mi lọ bó ṣe wọ́n sí ibi. ọ̀yìn òní àtà wò ọ̀mánà.
ìwẹ́sẹ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n ẹ̀rẹ̀ àríkò nẹ́tẹ̀ èrí àkìyàn àtẹ̀mí náà èsà ayé ọmọ ọmọ òkú ọba rẹ̀ náà èsà má close 50 ní so ọmọ ẹ̀mí náà ọ̀tá nìyí ìjọmọ ẹ ti wà dògbò ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mẹ̀yà gún anọ́dọ̀ tá ẹ̀rẹ́ rí ọ for me ò mẹ́sẹ̀ ti zì gbé náà. I'm a woman of God. Or let's see what he will lie. We will a basic camera. That moment, sir. That's hello. I forget me. Hello, Saturday. Meti and beggar. Hello, Sati. Meti and beggar.
Hello, mommy. You're at the place. Come, mommy, Kazakada. According to Oguna, no Coliban, Amy, I'm going to matter Oguna. In life, even no sunurevani is no even in my titegi. There is something going on because a baby now sunutame. Or was on the Regina be my other phone post. Or while I will be young way. If be a mokau, your beard be an happy.
ike bieni otio etio mikbia owe mi no sunu mirani otio no mwere we wogi bia ije na agogogo iama but otio ni na ha mi je we otio wala we bo hia wa pie ewani katakata kisi ana mi seto ni na do bienu kugeva ibienu kugeva ba na tije owo ya mu igo jogo kunyon no wa ya pen ni ezona sun oda for me na do ri ebene ma fight yi me na block of me ya measure win ne because you yeah oda for me gi winner or receive about 2000 something igo eri me igo na asa no momo eri mo tio hie ha ma e win onya de di ne kwali igo ni me ya we kwalebe ivo tira me na kitale ron ku me oni na ga so igo ko no so fa no we mori ebe ni o salo bori ebe ni so be ni wa ya taise because why avije when ene igari igo gbe so igo no mu emotion agbon we go gije enyo ga ejo ya vie imi go ya de pampas imi go ya de wa momo imi go ya woni ti abo se ba ya gwego what you are na because why a family a demand or when but only ni ga aje I'm a prayerful somebody because it na we ijere makoko me era me makoko me ima woda fun me ima ya gba kokiri me ani o wodo pa e se abieshi when is ya be ba ni me feti na leru na we fasting ina leru na we fasting ya ina do hama ya na mi fe after that second one ana gbere e oku no ya mu wo ana mi egwe iya muru mo ti go mo oku amane igo ko na ogwe no ko ni mu iri akoge oge mari akoge ba na gbere do me ko iri mi ese
osa we se we nana boy yero a
akabo di meta eru oku oni we no o ma le de to leru di meta wo eru
ya e wori ya gunya ba wa egun ni ge ni no sun eru oku no hia leru e di ma e oku no hia leru bita to ko ni ma leru awo e clear oku no hia leru when of one leru I mean leru went you o sa ba pa e sort of water prayer we wa happy re kakabo e ya so bobi prayer we no leru you sort of water every day me ya you sort of water ya we we ya we sort of water ya we oh God, what's the only way
okay mommy bye.
Hello, God bless you. Sonny, go and pray and sleep. Pray, salopa when I neru, not to bomb my neru. Hello, a pardon from
hello. God bless you, man.
Bless you too, sir.
Nagame aye word. God bless you, man.
God bless you, sir.
You are blessed. Man, Okonogun Ivan, no we re London. Ni aba wa e. Iwa Adam yo e. Okay, kakabo ipa won dire loko ni ya. Agbona na jena. We maybe we am go you. Of where we can go ya ni or maybe ahome igbegine ro that way agbona keiti ibere matrimonial home that you want fun do able where love is blind the things in omobo ware anywhere a relationship between boyfriend and girlfriend sela nyakere a relationship between boyfriend and girlfriend or Lugan and Agedegbe Nokwa or Waruwe. Ona Lugan a relationship between Ohu Pienopia or Ohu Biagbaro Nia Pielenebe. A relationship in Abikbolos, boyfriend and girlfriend. Then a relationship of a na tre home matrimonial home. Na naka we amwiko yoku where okuni oknogo bianine. But ikoni buma where agamwiko yoku there are a lot of a rule no heki no kuni can play okbiaga nugo your own to start with. If biana woku na yaka ku for relationship before Inyakedo Ibie Yamugo Yibo. Now, Omopa no ro no John, Ana Moe, Ana Fian we. Only take advice awaya when we go your own here. Because the Bible guy where woman submissive to your husband in all things. That's when the law came. Well, I'm not here. Now you got misbehave. Or you watch one or who be lenene. Or be agisi kokoni. Or maybe no be a wa. Edo where a man has both be anaji. Or master. A man on a lela because if only boom, he ain't taking nezoke ba, kenorian wana buana bude, a yanta. I where a DNA or is to cheat women, or if they are little where you are, every man, or soon arrive from the day of Abraham. Ojeri Sarah yuwa, ojeri yamweko naga woman, ojeri mweko naga woman, ojeri kweswa. O Abraham jeri no salo bata so we keke ne edioma ya to boere le ba okpo a. Oni ne Abraham jeri no salo bo ana ma keke ne edioma ga okmo. No ya le ba legbe o fu isore ni de igba yan we. Uma bege ewa no gogo biake pa. Edo we akin avueran avue kiniake yapa. Now, okona orone for good 3 years obiamasi koi. Ore e omemi no kwona wo biana e. No yo biana ya ba. Osore because osenoro wegbe o osenoro yagbe okona isun amose ni fu arekino bia ni yi obia ni gi setting gigawe ewon and obia ni ga reject uwe ewon ni na nagagwa we ni gbe na ne odo zebe na mewe eda okwo ni kesi go woman o yo pa ni ga kokko mo kia o ya omo dore wa beg state
3, 3, 6, 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 9, 0.
You know, before I came here, Omona Owe, maybe I will come where guys in Nigeria, where then if we say, while when you are here, he has Yarame. I am a secret. Oh boy. Now, if we so raw, Wakama where eri yemwa eri yemonagbo before anadu amie ela lady no ma Ethiopia ito when it kana ikwe soro wa ka mokugbe yo ni rie eni awwa eni oyine yebe ebowa of the bay okinu danagito no make na ela lady so ogo wani nakawari ego popa a property ogo biani na ri ego popa ru dawe oku arigo elu e na ogwa oga ogwa lo because oku ma ogwa we jet ile sori opa ni oni wa ka ma wen obiana na mi oku na oku no poga ase obera na wa awin the fabric company ona dori oko na ye yo gwe ati gbese iye na won menne o menne abiele legbe okwo na ma win na one day de no go na la win factory obia na yi na ona ka mo bia na we oko wonya mo wonya ya wo ka se take the responsibility igo ni kwa ogiyan elo obia o mo eso ya sese so iku mewe no salobo ya jiyan o pe ko na ri oja wo be odo na na mu igo yo mu ubie va no Eda okona baligbe o okona eri na owe awaeta yaweri o bi agegege unimoku o yo bi ayage enye banya ye bitari na owowo iwe wowa gboku oku bi azoe no gieva o bi ati agun mo mi wa gie
Igwa gie
o bi ati agun o eri emenu nu ewo bo enye vani omobo yo bi aya yi ma ti we ona owo ni eri ejuwa ona owo kiyin unage history owo ko from the very beginning Agwio, o salopo animaya lega, o regret we biabu jokuo. E Bible time mesere we o salopo iru ni mo ko no si. Ona wu ya wa poko ya gbonare oruwe bago. Uwe o salopo na we na be friend a great roboko where they are the woman of all living. Omaga be Oma guy, ekmo oye na mi elobi no azelo lo foa ekmo monihi neja mi eja lo eja bufua oma enwe na ni ko na complain oge ke na mela la debu inya no o bi amaika moku oya lo ye ko owo ka oye wo wa o he na egwe moku na kan ye ni Really, yes, so no one have a mule. No, don't tell a yakua. If okay, you body, and your honor, ya can any woe. Of what are they wanted to have me? The thing I start, and no, at the near this, they are not this Virginia. I say, I will not. He am well at me. I get up there. Oh, they are not this Virginia. He had a ladder war. Iharu ewu ufu ya nike okona agwa agwa le favor here no favor agwa tota agwa setu agwa kakabonu taise ai mo poru abo ero mani gba na so ya me wa ki me wa kakabo wa ya no ge me ki ewe bona me yo we vaya ene pradi ni me if you work in the work bet in do graduate who where he dey I dey no pa no ma ori enye e mo ko na kina e ku ezaya re o bi amana re won guju ko re mo ko e ya lo go gbe o je lo go salobo o salobo aye gbu ijo de no salobo na we gbe ọmọ jẹ amúfùwà ọmọ tó sàlóbù amúfùwà ọgbó yìí jẹ́nu náà sàlóbù yàá tẹ̀yàn pàmò àwọn ẹ̀ wò sàlóbù akínyàrí jésù kristi ni màá gbé gàrí yẹn nàgàgbà yẹ wọ̀lọ̀ ọkínyàrí jésù kristi ni màá gbé gàrí.
èpò àfinísì kù wẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
ọmọ tó sàlóbù akámẹ̀ joseph ìwé ọmọ náà yà ayẹ yọ ẹ̀kọ́ ọlọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ kàrí kúkì nẹ̀ nínú òkò yà kánà ìwé ọmọ náà yẹ yọ ẹ̀kọ́ náà gáàsì kẹ̀nọ́pìà. Ohewe ọ̀gàtàmẹ́lọ́pìà ìbánu náà kò bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀gá dámì ádámù káàtà mà ádámù náà mú fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀ni màá ní ìyàrí ìwùsẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀gá ìtàmì náà kò lóko náà dájì wẹ́ àná yìí sì kọ́ ẹ́ àgáyọ́ tọ́ba fún ọ̀sìn yẹn bí ọmọ lórí yẹn. Ọ̀sánlọ́fọ́kẹ́ ìwé gbé wọ̀. Data da Abraham nìkan ẹsẹ̀ra wọ̀ mọ́pá lórí ẹ̀mẹ́ náà yà bẹ̀ wà. Ẹ̀ẹ́mẹ́ yọ̀pá náà yà yẹ̀wò bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ra ọwọ́ mọ̀ nìyẹn yé gbọ́ mà yà wá. Kàkà bọ́ọ̀nù ta ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọmísìn ubiọba ubieva ubieha udobi bieva. Ebe oge ló ká wọ́n dọ̀nù wẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yà náà yẹ yín mà. Ẹ̀ẹ́ boyfriend and girlfriend. A relationship anaghị na ya wụda ahụ ezọnụ bụ gwara na wadị agesokpia ikpia ịmaje na ọmụmụ okwu ịmaje na ọmụmụ ebe bụ wee dịba gbọha mama ọrọbọkwu dagbọ mama ọrọbọkwu okpia ibe amụ niile na-enwe salari le no kune uwe gbe ba ni mo to wo gbe ni wo go meji no e wa no
wese o baba ko wese wese o baba amen
domo ma baba yo
iye epa wa finish ku wa ipe awa gogo na wa gogo ipe a wa re comment ipe iku wa mo abi wa ma epa na hello hello
hello mommy you are talking
he say he hear me oh what's that
hello
side we hello from Jamie wa lo ogugwa bojo hello from Italy happy team he said
Epa un bon beba, even if like Epa auto papa.
Bluetooth mode.
Go on.
3.
Hello?
3, 7, 5, 8, 7, 3, 4.
Hello?
4.
Hello?
Bluetooth mode.
Hello? Epa. Wete we ka be tebe me ya na pa. Iji. We me o san why.
Hello, mama, you are talking.
He said.
Wa toji ma. Gbani no wa gbon ba. O so abo afian pe. O so abo afian pe. O no se no so abo na afian pe. Udo gba do ta la dan. Oni e ni lo ya o ki ko e. Ne gba na do ta la dan. Cause e o gba ya one. For to do gba do ta ban. If you not see old, you not see old to you not turn o gba hin. If you want to see water. O gba ni so abo afian pe. Ora to. Udo gba do ta. When you nyani nwa nya ya nwa ne no heki nyawo e o pa ya se ata ko so to ka o to pogeva no pogeva o bi no ko ni ke gbo so ko wa bo agbe no re ko so gbe se gbe no ya ga fi no ya o ka o mi sen no ka gbe agba lo tori e no mo gbe ani
Mama.
e ta se tin lo no gbe o te ka bo we se no me ayore a to pe
He said wese o. Ni na ime kadi me fe kadi me call it. Hello. Go ni wa zebe ge nice.
Hello.
Wa lo side wa o side ti we. Wa lo wa wo. He said wa lo ni we ya wash. Idame hello, God bless you.
Hello.
Hello, side to where am I?
God bless you, ma.
May you hold on 1 minute. Make I pick this one. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Hello, from Jamie. Yeah, man, hello. More when you speak, when you speak, hello?
Come on me.
Hey, side to where?
That's where mommy. Mata no rotone oni kwaye. No ba piki ni pa ni taba. O wa gun pe be ni piki voice that is sure where sister ni e cannot offend other for e cannot movie any area in Nigeria. So ba na me kick ba wa te no ta se
abio why ma support why ma support no move your hand area Nigeria.
Only me beg you other for ma support and I little feel we are not your way. So really all you ba no e ya forgive they negate one strong mind. So what be any young no for ni na understand. And secondly, easy man no kwa ni carry town na wo for net there no for net there ya go no way no zingbe no zingbe. E ma na me for net there no we be leye o me o be leye ya. So 50-50 no. And then there will be a people normally zingbo wodo. Et je vais gérer Rena. Et so, on va venir beaucoup de Rena. Ni vient. Rena, ni ma vient. So, when I let on where, if one Rena, they have beaucoup de. Ni Buma vient, Reni. One year, we may say, I will be a little Mother. So, ni unit, mommy, look up on the say, where a boy can now offend that for a running a kick back. A boy with them where.
Hello, God bless you. I got one minute. Go sighting where.
Come on me. Ewe fani agwa yo pa yo get belibawa. E ba bote wa reject maniku. Aga reject maniku aka ga pick bia. So no ga pick bia so no bona what go no why wipe him off. If we wa priest of sana. Wa it bia do e wa kan ipe Nigeria go no quick for e so no kwa no ya ko no ye mi. Se no